Okay, magandang araw po. Let's solve another sample problem regarding effective stresses of soil sample. So we have here a 10-meter thick layer of stiff saturated clay is underlain by a layer of sand. So niredraw lang po natin ulit dito yung ating figure para mas malinaw yung ating mga given parameters. The sand here is under Artesian pressure, wherein that pressure, kapag naglagay tayo dito ng pipe, the pressure head will be equivalent to 6 meters. Okay, and we are required to calculate the maximum depth of cut H here that can be made in the clay layer. Also, calculate the total stress at point A. So this is point A, and the effective stress at point B. Okay, first one. The maximum depth of cut H that can be made in the clay layer. Okay, since ito ay under Artesian pressure, kapag nag-excavate po tayo dito with a depth of H, siguraduhin lang po natin na yung matitirang thickness or layer ng clay dito ay sapat para ma-handle yung ating pressure dito kay sand layer. Dahil kapag manipis yan or magiging marupok siya, bubulwak dyan yung ating tubig. So, hindi siya sapat. So, ano yung pinaka-maximum? So, para maging maximum, yung makuha natin na cut H, sabi nga natin kanina, dapat ito ay mas malakas sa Artesian pressure. So, on that note, the total stress of clay layer or the effective stress at clay layer is just that, walang tubig dito, the effective stress and the total stress in the clay layer is parehas lang. Should be greater than or equal to the Artesian pressure in the sand layer. Sabi nga natin kanina, dapat mas malakas to kesa yung water pressure dito. Dahil kapag hindi, less than, masisira lang. Hindi natin makukuha yung maximum depth of cut H. So, para makuha natin yung maximum parameter, pwede nang sabihin yung equal sign yung ating gagamitin. Okay. Ano ba yung total stress within that clay layer? That is the unit weight multiplied by the thickness. Ano yung thickness? Thickness na matitira. That is 10 minus H. That should be greater than or equal to the Artesian water pressure. The pressure is just the product of the unit weight of water multiplied by the pressure head. That is 6 meters. Okay, so simplifying now. Distribute lang natin 19, multiply. That is 190 minus 19H should be greater than or equal to 9.81 times 6. So, lipat natin. Lipat nyo yun. Transpose 190 minus 9.81 times 6. Lipat natin, magiging positive. Greater than or equal to 19H. So, computing for H, that should be less than or equal to 6.90 meters. Or, magtarin lang natin, H should be less than or equal to 6.90 meters. And that will be our first requirement. Pag lumagpas pa dyan, maging 7 meters, doon na masisira yung matitirang clay layer natin dito. Okay, calculate the total stress of point A. Ano ba yung total stress of point A? Total stress of point A is 19 times the thickness. Since nakuha na natin yung ating maximum depth of cut H, po pwede tayo kumuha ng total stresses and effective stresses at any point in this layer of soil. So that is 19 times the thickness na natira, 10 minus H. What is H? 6.90 meters. So total stress at point A is equivalent to 58.9 kilopascal. And since walang tubig dyan na kinoconsider kay clay layer, that is also equivalent to the effective stress at point A. Okay, next one. Calculate the effective stress at point B. So effective stress at point B is total stress minus water pressure at point B. Solve first for the total stress. From this point to this point, we'll consider 2 layers of soil. So that is 19 times 10 minus 6.9 plus sand layer 17.5 times a thickness of 2.5. That will be our total stress minus water pressure. From this point to this point, na-consider na po natin yung Artesian pressure. And that will be our water pressure for this point. And that will be 9.81 times 6. So computing for the effective stress at point B, that will be 43.79 kilopascal. And these are the requirements for this given problem.